boys can date any woman they desire, and they do it effortlessly while enjoying the company of their desired women. The rest of the men are tired of chasing women and being ignored. Some of you might think that the bad boy method to attract women is unorthodox. Some might fear that society will disgust them, and some will think it is not worth it. But listen, when it comes to women, it is indeed worth it, and women love bad boys like no other man on earth. However, what distinguishes these charismatic individuals that you may lack, and how do they effortlessly captivate any woman they desire? I will explain 4 proven ways these individuals follow to attract women like magnets. Understand this. It's not just about the methods they employ, but also about their attitude and beliefs that enable them to attract any woman they desire. To adopt the bad boy method successfully in attracting women, you need to adopt certain beliefs and nurture an attitude that will make you irresistible to any woman you wish to pursue. Number 1. They don't care if people hate them. Bad boys are considered toxic and rebellious, and society hates them for that. But they don't care. They just let society hate them. This mentality is something that 90% of men lack, and some are hesitant to embrace due to the fear of judgment or misunderstanding. Many live their lives for others, but not the bad boys. A bad boy embraces the idea of not conforming to others' expectations. He lives by his own set of rules, unconcerned about the approval of others labeling him as good or bad. He prioritizes his values and personal growth, understanding that his life holds significance beyond others' opinions. When he reflects on his life at the end of the day, alone in a room, he focuses on staying ahead in the competition, caring little about external opinions. A bad boy becomes an irresistible aura that women can't resist. Number 2. They make women chase them. Bad boys always think and do things others can't even imagine. A Mr. Nice Guy will chase women, but a bad boy will make women chase him. He uses reverse psychology by giving women the challenge. He achieves this by positioning himself as the prize, allowing women to compete for his attention. He avoids displaying weakness through desperation or neediness, presenting himself as a powerful man engaged in a fulfilling life. Adopting this mentality prompts women to actively seek his attention, and when he doesn't offer it readily, they strive harder to capture his interest. A bad boy comprehends the potency of his charm. He dedicates consistent effort to self-improvement, ensuring he stands out in the crowd, and women can sense that magnetic aura from a distance. Number 3. They honor their code. People always misunderstand the concept of being a bad boy. A bad boy isn't always a bad person. There is a fine line between being a bad person and being a bad boy. A bad boy possesses a set of beliefs, values, and principles that shape his behavior and actions, even if they deviate from societal norms. He discerns which rules can be challenged and which are non-negotiable. Despite external opinions, he unwaveringly adheres to his code. Taking responsibility for his actions and behaviors is a cornerstone for a bad boy. When mistakes occur, he acknowledges them and strives for improvement. His personal code extends beyond mere arrogance and cockiness. It revolves around his unwavering loyalty to these principles. In the contemporary world, women are drawn to men who stand up for their beliefs, placing bad boys at the forefront of their preferences. Number 4. They let their confidence speak for them. Confidence is what sets a bad boy apart from the crowd, no matter what others say or think about him. His mountain-sized confidence only drives him toward progression. When he enters the room, he walks at such a pace that others can't look away. He doesn't show that he is the best because he thinks that he is incomparable. When he speaks, He speaks with such tonality that others do nothing but get shut up. When a bad boy takes action, he does so with unwavering assurance, leaving no room for doubt. His competence isn't that of an average Joe, but that of a high-value man who comprehends both his actions and their purpose. The unshakable confidence he exudes sets him apart, positioning him one step ahead in any competition. Ultimately, it's the bad boy who rises to the top of the social hierarchy, consistently performing at a superior level in every facet of life. And there you have it. The 4 proven ways of the bad boy method to attract women. It's not just about the actions they take, but the mindset and attitude they embody. Now, the choice is yours. If you're ready to break free from the ordinary and become the irresistible force that women desire, consider adopting some of these principles into your own life. If you found this video valuable and want to stay ahead in the game, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Join the community of those who are committed to leveling up in life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay one step ahead of the 99%.